Hello everyone, welcome to Remindax demo. In this demo, we are going to discuss how the Remindax works. In the AI Smart Dog, basically you can see this is a new functionality that has been introduced, and in that you can upload any document. Let's say there is a driving license. So the system is going to pick up the expiration date, and it is going to pre-fill the document for you so that the human labor is limited and AI can quickly basically fill up the fields for you and you can upload the document. Now quickly we can see that we have different departments. If we would like to switch to the different departments and if we would like to see different companies, we can do that. And here's my profile. I would like to see my settings, my subscription, and if I would like to contact the sport, so I have the choice to contact the sport over here, or I can just on the quick links I can click over there and I can see my subscription plan over. So that's it from my side. If you have any question, you just contact the sport and you can proceed to ask any question and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.